Hello, it's me again, and I'm back with another episode of The Forest of Drizzling Rain. Okay, I'm gonna try to explain what happened last time. So, last time, I don't remember her name, but, the girl with the purple hair, she, got, tied to a rock with vines, and the main character, which I can't remember her name, let's just call her Oni-san because that's what the purple hair girl calls her. So, she, I found this cave, and there was a well down, oh, oops, sorry, oh, crap. Sorry. I'm sorry about that. Down here. And, I called for help, and that officer from the other two, videos, came down the well. And now he's gonna try and help, the purple-haired girl. Just call her Ellen, because, well, she kind of reminds me of Ellen from the witch's house. Okay. Speaking of which, did you see Suga-kun? Suga-san? No, because I went out by myself without saying anything to Suga-san. I see. That guy also seems to have went outside to search. He might be in the forest. If he's in the forest, will Suga-san be alright? I wonder. Okay. Oh. The sound of the necklace breaking. Quick, we need to get to Sakuma-chan now. Oh, okay, that's her name. Oh no, she's totally dead. But what is this? Sakuma, hold on! Why can't I remove it? Is this really a vine? It looks as if it were a rock. Sakuma-chan! Sakuma! Hey! I've come to help. Hang in there. Oni-san and Officer Mochizuki? It's alright now. Help us come, so keep at it. Yes. Thank you. Sakuma once again lost consciousness. In any case, we need to get her out of here, quick. It's no use, I can't get it off. Why? If things stay like this... I think I read that wrong. Officer Mochizuki? You stand back. You stand back. Why? There's not a single scratch on it. But that's all? Suga-san! He was like, what? You went into the forest. I'm disappointed. Suga-kun, I understand you're angry, but first, we'd want to rescue Sakuma. Could you help us? Sakuma-chan! You cut this vine with that? Suga-kun, I heard that it was a fake sword, but... No, let's talk about that later. Thank you, Suga-kun. Thanks for being of help. In any case, we'll need to take Sakuma-chan back. She is unconscious, but she is breathing calmly. I will carry Sakuma. You guys should also head back. Let's go. So, yeah, let's go. Oh no! Eh? The promise, you have still not fulfilled it. Give me your life. What is it? Go on ahead, please. A voice. Ah! No! Ugh. Random struggling noises. Ugh. This place. Eh? Where is this place? Where is everyone? Why? A stone shining with light. Totally different. Reflected here is me when I was little. God, Mom, move! Hey, oops, spoilers. That's Mom. Mother. Ah, Shiori. What is it? Today is a day that boy will come to play, right? Then there will be no settling down for the enjoyment from the enjoyment, will there? You get along with him the most among all in the village, after all. Ah, but don't be excessive with him now, since you are especially quite the tomboy. That kid is quite docile, so don't be too rough and make him cry. Also, you absolutely must not go into the forest, okay? He seems to have come. Now you can go ahead and play. Okay, Mom. Wait, Mom, let's see if she says anything. Be careful, alright? Okay. Hello. Kun. Blink Kun. What will we play today? How about fighting? As I figured, picking flowers? But after that, we're going to play fight, right? Yes, Shi-chan. Was that a memory? Talking to my mother while I was young? Playing with a boy I don't know? And also, was that place the museum? Though I don't remember any such thing. A stone shining with light. He's late, even though he promised he'd come to play today. What a coward! He said he'd go. Don't cry, just talk. Could this perhaps be... Though you're creepy like a ghost, you scared of going into the forest, huh? Coward, cryberry. Motherless child, maybe your mommy is inside the forest. That's right. The Kotorio Bake is surely actually your mother. Looking for tons of children who want to become like mother. You might just be able to become like your mommy. Ugh, he's crying again. What is it, Kanzaki? You again? Just ignore these guys. Quick, let's go and play. Hey, wait. Don't just go on back on your own like that. Why? You're always in the way. How saucy of you. Playing with this kind of kid, you must also be out of your mind, too. He doesn't talk and is motherless. It's creepy. that he even exists. Don't say such terrible things. Blank-kun is a much better kid than any of you guys. Damn it, now you've done it. Ow, ow. Okay, now I don't care anymore. Sorry. I'm sorry. Are you alright? Blank-kun, you really are a crybaby, as those kids said. But I'm sorry. But more importantly, since it'd be no good for you to get injured, Shi-chan, can we go back home? No, because Blank-kun, you are still crying. They'll think I made you cry. Blank-kun, you crybaby. Crybaby. Okay. But you know. As for whether you're gloomy or creepy, I don't think so at all. Blank-kun, you're kind and just a little strange. But that's what's interesting about you and what I like about you. Because no matter what bad people may be out there, I will protect you. So, you see? Please, don't cry anymore. Really now, why do you cry? Okay. Why is it that I get the feeling I know that boy quite well? The crybaby doesn't talk much, but kind and a little strange. Also, since they talked about the Kotoryobake, that place was Azakawa village, as I thought, wasn't it? Why are there these memories that I don't know about? Shiori, you carrying off the key to that inner room all on your own again like that. I'm sorry, but why can't I go in? Because you are a child. You'll come across the Kotoryobake there. Children must not enter. The Kotoryobake? Why is it in a room like that? That's because Shiro, this home is called Ogami-san's home. Over many generations, we've kept guard to make sure nothing comes from the forest. By Ogami-sama, do you mean that picture book? Then are you also one, Granddaddy? The people of the village do call us that. Your father too. So that's why in festival times you always do some kind of strange prayer, right? Then, even if I go into the inner room, someone can finish it off for me. So, isn't it alright? Father! What is it, Shiori? Did they get mad at you again? Hey, can Father and Granddaddy finish off the Kotoryobake? What? Do what to the Kotoryobake? I was explaining how she can't go into the inner room. Shiori, this is somewhat of a difficult talk. Hey, Kenji. Father, isn't it really so? We can't just make her feel complacent about it. I don't know how to say that word. And besides now, I don't really like this situation we're in. You know that too, right, Father? Ah, really, the Kotoryobake really does exist. I know that. Shiori, if one ever meets the Kotoryobake and makes a promise with it, As long as the child remembers the promise, the Kotori Obake will call for it and chase after that child. Even if the child forgets the promise, the child will end up abducted as soon as the child remembers it. If that happens with you, we'll do all to protect you, but neither father nor granddaddy can beat the Kotori Obake. So as long as you are a child, you must not go into the inner room or into the forest. Yes, understood. Good kid. Yes, good kid. So, Shiori, will you be playing with that kid again today? It's about time he comes, right? But for today, it seems like it'll be raining for a while, so don't go near the forest, especially on rainy days like this. Play inside properly, alright? Yes. So you see, we must not go into the forest. We can't, okay? Yes. Then will you, Shi-chan, eventually become an Ogami-san too? Yeah, I'm a girl, so maybe I can't become one. More importantly, once I become an adult, I want to do a more enjoyable job. Want to become someone who can make things like these made of night glowstone. What? How great! Would you also be able to make accessories? Yes. Blink-kun, I really like pretty things. Besides, night glowstones can be protective charms, though it's definitely wonderful, isn't it? Yes. Blink-kun, there is a notification for you. It's an emergency notification, so please go back home. I'll send you by car, so come quickly. What is it, Father? You're fine, Shiori, so please remain at home. Shiori, you see, about Blink-kun's father. That day, coming back from work, he encountered a landslide. The village people went to help, but digging up the landslide took time. And just like that, that's right. About that day, about that boy, about that family. I knew about them all. This truly is my memory. I was born and raised in that family and Azakawa village. But why? Why did I forget? There's something important I can't remember. A stone shining with light. Then, will you remain here to look for that kid? I will carry Sakuma on ahead. I can't just loiter around the forest like this. If you can't find her after looking around, you at least must come back. If Sakuma seems alright, I will then go to the museum afterwards. Okay, now we get to play Suga-kun. Don't come, you scary, creepy, scary. Let me meet Mother. Find it before jumping into the countless clamoring voices. The pretty, shining stone you need. You know where it is. Surely you've been able to save someone important. And then let me meet Mother. I'm gonna follow you. Or whatever. Okay, I don't even know why I went over here. Ugh, why is everything red? I don't like it. It's annoying. Stop, stop. Don't get in the way. Scary. You're scary. Don't come. It's scary. It's scary. It's scary. It's scary going there. I won't let you. I mean, I won't let way. Won't let way alone. Won't let way. Stop. Don't kill me. Don't point that towards me. No. 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 Mother, 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 mother. Terrible, terrible, terrible. I promised you unneeded. Mother has already forgotten about you. She wants only that child. You, the corrupted one, are unneeded. Repeating the same thing over and over. How many people will you sacrifice? Now this part's annoying. It wouldn't. It would have all been better if you didn't exist. From within, countless clamoring voices can be heard. Don't advance. Advancing. Oh, fucking God. Hey, you. Why do you get in the way? Even though you can't protect anyone anyways. Even though it's all your fault. You selfish, cruel, terrible guy. Even though it's sad. Even though it's unbearably really sad. Really sad. Never hesitating. It's scary, it's scary, it's scary, it's scary, it's scary, it's scary. The path has been blocked. They just keep running into me! What the fuck? Trying not to kill so many things. Oh. Ugh. Wow. That's an eyesore. Hey, you. How many times will you kill us? Like that guy does. Doing so until when will you continue keeping that meaningless promise. It's painful, painful, painful. Hey, have you heard? This morning, it seems like the Blank family's son has gone missing. Speaking of the Blank family, didn't the father just die recently? Ah yes, the mother also died a while before that. But for the son to go missing too is all just... Anyways, they searched all around town, but they couldn't find him. This rain, if he isn't found quickly, it'll be quite serious. That's right, on a day of rain, even adults can't go into the forest. If that kid actually went into the forest, he won't be able to be found anymore. Blank-kun? Surely Blank-kun went looking for his mother. Since it's raining, even adults can't go into the forest. I need to go, because I made a promise with Blank-kun. Blank-kun, where are you? There's a path over there too. It's dark and narrow, and it looks like I'd fall, so I can't go forward this way. On a search? Yes, I'm looking for a boy. I know him. I saw him. He went further in. He went looking for Mother. How good of him. How good of him. Really? Is he alright? Is Blank-kun alright? Have courage and save him. If you really like him. If you really like him. If you really like him. How good of you. How good of you. How good of you. If I were to see him too, perhaps I'll also save him. What's that voice just now? Blank-kun? 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 Where are you? Where are you? Hey, please, answer me. Even if they get angry at us when we get back, we'll apologize together, so... Blank-kun! Blank-kun! Where is this place? Blank-kun, answer me. I've come to help. Hey, let's go back home together. Mother? Mother? Mother, 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 mother. Not here. She's not here. That's right, that's right. Let's go back. Surely Shi-chan is worried about me. Did you call me, little boy? I wonder why you give off such an unpleasant scent. The scent of night glowstone feels terrible. terrible. That boy's smell. But if you become my little boy, maybe I'll give you love. Bite you, break you into a pulp. I'll return you back inside my belly. Oh God, that sounds disgusting. No. Detestable, cute little boy. Let us make a promise. The voice right now. No, Blake-kun! Blake-kun! Shi-chan! Quick! Let's run away! You cannot run away from the promise. Shi-chan? Please, save Blake-kun. It's not possible to run away from the promise. Please. I made a promise with Blake-kun to protect Blake-kun. Not letting you escape. Then I'll make the promise. No, Shi-chan, you can't. Because this is just too sad. Becoming all alone, you must have been lonely. But because of that, for you, Blake-kun, to be gone. I don't want that at all. For Blake-kun, I made a promise to protect Suga-kun. Shi-chan. Then a promise with you, right? My cute child. Wait! I'll make the promise, so please don't make a promise with Shi-chan. Suga-kun, you can't. Shi-chan, thank you, but it can't be switched anymore now. I want that kid more than you. Then I'll do anything, so please don't take away Shi-chan right now. I'll make a promise. In exchange for recomposition from your body, a recomposition, whatever. Your arms, feet, head, body resembles a smell that I hate. Then the recomposition will pay all the whispers and echoes that leak out from your lips. The promise will be fulfilled. You all cannot escape. Ah, my goodness. For you to actually end up making a promise. But we're relieved. Thanks to that kid, you were able to return alive. So now, look at this rock and stare. You must forget it all about that promise, about this village. Only in this way is there any hope of feeling from that promise. Lastly, say things. No, don't struggle, Shiori. Please, forget everything. Shi-chan, I promise. I will protect Shi-chan. I made a promise in that forest of drizzling rain. Mother and father and granddaddy were terribly sad about it. In order to get me away from my promise, we moved away. And with the night glowstone, erased my memories. About Azakawa village, about my true home, about Suga-kun. I remembered it. I ended up remembering it all. I was being protected. I was being protected by everyone. Granddaddy, father, mother. Thank you. I'm sorry. Suga-kun. Quick! I need to get back. Quick. Surely Suga-kun is trying to save me all by himself even now. Ugh. Ugh. Sorry for making you worry so much. I remembered it all. Everything, Suga-kun. A crybaby as always, aren't you, Suga-kun? You remembered the promise? Yes. Quickly, let's leave the forest. It's alright. We'll get back. Suga-kun. Wait. Can we go this way? Even if I go back, there was no path this way, was there? Oh, no. I kind of forgot that I can't go that way. Suga-kun. If we were to get out of this forest, what about your voice, Suga-kun? Suga-kun, your voice, can't we get it back somehow? Don't worry about it. Well, I'm gonna end the video off here. Thank you for watching. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye!